want to get back in your car?
No.
Do you want to get back in?
No, I don't.
Why the f you jumping out your car? I'm going like I'm supposed to.
You're going all over the road. Can you tell me why you're doing it?
Because I'm warming up my tyres. It doesn't matter what I'm doing.
It does, because you're not driving like you're supposed to be.
I can do what I want. I'm in my lane. I can do what I want.
You can't.
Yes, I f***ing can.
Can't.
Yes, why am I supposed to stick to the side of the road?
Yes, you are.
Exactly, you're f***ing stupid. What? Oh, do something. Do something. I swear to touch me. Touch me. I swear to f***ing God. Touch. Oh. You're gonna f***ing regret this. Let go. Let f***ing go. Let f***ing go. Let f***ing go. Don't f***ing touch me. Touch me one more f***ing time, you're gonna regret it. I'm gonna smash your f***ing window.
You're doing what I need to.
Get back in your f***ing car. Touch me.
You're not swerve all over the road.
Fuck off.
No, you
Get off. Don't f***ing touch.
Back here.
A cyclist is on his way home from work on a path he rode countless times when all of a sudden he gets assaulted by a homeless man.
Hey man, get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Accidents happen. Get off me. Get off me.
A driver made a careless turn right in front of an SV650 motorcycle. A biker had to react fast to avoid a crash.
Are you serious? Open your eyes. Are you serious?
I didn't see you.
How could you not?
Seriously, I saw nothing.
What were you looking at?
I was looking at the street to turn.
That's exactly where I was.
Yeah.
Good.
The driver undertook the biker and tries to run them off the road. Moments later, the passenger started recording. The car stopped and the man jumped out holding a hammer.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do,
bro?
What do you want to do?
Bro, I want to do no. What's wrong with you, man? Bro, he just cut us off and tried to hit us. Bro, I ain't doing anything. Bro. Don't worry, I got it all on camera, bro.
A close call caught on camera. A near-death crash narrowly avoided by a motorcyclist, just inches from disaster.
You don't do that, bro.
Yeah.
You are so lucky. God damn, dude.
Yeah, I fucked up. My bad, dog.
Woo.
Yeah.
This young cyclist is out enjoying life with his friends, and this man lays hands on him while confronting him about trespassing.
Are you gonna hit me with that?
No, just use it to knock you off the bike.
You're being recorded, bruv. You're not gonna hit me.
Get out of here. I've asked you numerous times.
Don't touch my bike, bruv.
Don't be in our business part then.
Don't touch my bike. What the fuck are you doing?
Get out of...
Square up then.
What?
Square up then. Don't touch my
Right,
stuff.
witnesses. Get out of here. It's a private business park.
So you assault me? Is that right then?
Assaulted you? No, I
You
didn't.
assaulted me. You grabbed my property.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Get off my property. This is my business park. That's
This
my
guy's
office.
touching me up and he's threatening me with a fucking umbrella.
Shut up.
Shut up, bro. Look at you.
What's your name? Get out of here. I'm excited.
I would be lying if I said I didn't want to do this to BMW drivers as well.
Get off the bike. Get off the bike. You need to slow the down, bro. I got a kid on the back of the bike. You do not drive past me like that, motherfucker.
I'm sorry.
Don't you ever put my life or my kid's life at stake.
Sorry, I didn't.
You need to slow the down. This is a school.
Well, I know.
Slow the down, motherfucker.
No speeding, no harsh revs, just smooth starts. Still, the driver became aggressive, shouting in a neighborhood with kids around. The situation got tense and could have turned physical.
You realize you're on camera, right, bro? You're on camera, bro.
Well, go ahead of me then.
Then go, dude. I let you in front of me. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Your way so you can go.
Excuse me?
Motorcycle. Ride your motorcycle. Go.
Go, dude.
Get off my ass.
Go. What the f?
A man got angry at the biker for speeding. He pulled up fast, yelling from inside his car. Tension rose quickly.
You got a problem? You see how close you are? You see how quickly you came up?
The way you're driving like you did.
The Range Rover driver cut off the biker. The rider didn't let it slide and went to confront him.
Who's that? What the f? You f***ing weapon! You f***ing weapon! You're in a bus lane all the way down there, then you don't use your f***ing mirrors!